You shoveling? Wow, look at that.
Uh-oh.
That's really hard work.
It hurts. Okay. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Daddy teach you a shovel.
Daddy teach you?
Daddy teach you.
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
A shovel. Okay.
So she said Daddy teach you so.
Oh, wow. That's a good job, huh?
Good job.
Good job.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
Nice job. That's a nice job. Look at that.
Here's everything on
Is that hard work?
It hurt.
Yeah.